If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 skeleton pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by Yisuya. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Yisuya. Number 3, by SHUHANG. For more details about this great skeleton pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4, by Lymfhch. Number 5, by Ogle. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Carrie Hughes. Number 7, by Steampunk. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Ogle. Number 9, by Mother. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Carrie Hughes.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.